Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you fundamentals training. In the beginning let's go to training center and go to fundamentals. Here we can learn about basic movement, basic passing, basic shooting, standing tackles, slide tackles and player switching. Let's start with basic movement. Move to the highlighted zone. In order to move, use left analog. In order to sprint, press and hold R2. Now, let's learn basics of passing. To pass ball, press X button. Now score a goal from inside the highlighted zone. In order to shoot, press circle button. Holding the shoot button makes the ball go faster and higher. After pressing shoot, use L to aim. To tackle, use circle button. The best tactics with tackles is when the ball is in front of you and you press the circle button in the last possible second. To use slide tackle, use square button. Now, we have to take the ball from opponents inside the zone. And that's it for fundamentals. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.